Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we got to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is go over CoinMarketCap, and I'm going to share with you my must-have alt tokens for myself, not for you. And that's going to be for 2024, 2025 bull run. So the idea is I'm going to go over probably the top 50, top 100 tokens, and then we'll get into some other ones as well. And I'm going to share with you projects that I like. And yeah, we're going to go through it all. So I'll probably take 10, 20 minutes and get your notepad. This is for you to research. I'm not telling you to go out and buy these. So invest at your own risk. This is just going to be a video for, specifically alt tokens that I like. So of course I like Bitcoin, but if you want to see those 100x, 200x gains, when you hear those stories about somebody who makes massive returns, these are going to be the tokens that you want to research and take a look at. So I'm very excited about this one. Again, not financial advice, but if you do like the video, smash a like button and also subscribe. We have a lot more content coming for you all. So let's dive right into it. And again, if you want to check it out, I already did a 100x altcoin. I believe in that video, I dive a little bit deeper into my thoughts for 5 specific tokens. Okay, so we have a lot of content. We have some really cool videos that have already come out, specifically on Cardano, Ethereum, and other chains as well. So basically, I'm building a library for you to be able to go onto the channel, type in whatever it is you want. So let's say you want to learn about Meld. Type in Meld, you'll find some videos. So we're going to be providing that for you. So right now we are on CoinMarketCap and we're at a $1.28 trillion market cap. So on the week, we're doing quite well. And that's being reflected right here. Cardano specifically, which is roughly 40% of my net worth right now. So yeah, I need Cardano to do well. Okay, so let's dive right into it. Let's zoom in a touch and let's start from the top. So let's start out with the first top 10. I'll try to do this as swiftly as possible. So we're going to be talking about alts. Of course, I believe in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the OG. Bitcoin is the biggest, largest decentralized store of value. Proof of work. It's the one cryptocurrency that you may just want to trust as your digital gold. So that's all I'm going to say on Bitcoin. Ethereum. I like Ethereum. It's not something that I think is going to 100x. Could it 5x? Very possibly. So Ethereum, I like it, but I would put it in the same category as Bitcoin, as it's a top 2. And in fact, it accounts for almost 17% of the market cap today. So next one, I'm not a huge fan of Tether. Hopefully it doesn't break down. We got BNB. I feel like BNB has already seen, its big run. So it's back up. It's at $228 a token. Could it go back to $1,000? Sure. If you want a 4x, it's probably not going to change your life. But again, it depends on what you're playing with, right? I'm expecting these tokens I talk about to do extremely well, at least a few of them. And, if you're looking to see massive gains with altcoins, you're most likely going to want to be in something that's not in the top 10, except for one, maybe ADA. BNB, Binance, I feel like even in the next bull run, it's not gonna have that jolt that it had, because it went from a couple bucks to, where it is today. So let's take a look at BNB just to give you an example. Not that it's not a good token, it's got a lot of potential, but you're talking about something that was 10 bucks, even lower for a long time. And, it's gone up to, at one point it was like, what, 500 bucks? And now it's hovering around 200. So I think it's seen that jolt. It's had its pump. And I don't see it happening again. Not to the extent that we've seen. XRP, I'm not an XRP guy. Not part of the XRP army. Cross-border payments. You know, I'm not an XRP person. I just don't have it. And again, you don't have to bet on every horse. I do not bet on, something when I see it. I bet on something after I research, after I analyze it and think about it for a while. Not that I don't believe in XRP. I just don't. I'd rather put my money elsewhere, right? You don't have to swing at every pitch. You don't have to bet at every horse. So just think about that. USDC, probably going to be $1. So that's just stable coin. Solana. Well, Solana's probably a good option, but you're not going to see those 100x gains. I highly doubt it. Okay. So Solana, again, I mean, if you were in early, you were doing really well. Will this go back to its all-time high? I think so. I think it will 5 to 10x for sure. I'm talking 2024, 2025. Right now, we are Friday, November 3rd, 2023. And again, I'm just spitting out ideas. The thing is that I'm talking as if we're in a bull run and we go above where we were at in terms of sentiment, in terms of innovation, and if everything's looking prosperous for the market, which I think it will. I think it will. Okay, so Solana, probably not 100x. ADA, I think, is going to do really well. ADA, I think, is going to go $6, $7, $8 minimum. Okay, so 31 cents right now. This could be, I think ADA could 50x. I think it's that good. You got midnight. You got a lot going on. And in fact, smart contracts weren't even, out and kicking very well, when we had the last bull run. So ADA has a lot of room to grow. Dogecoin. Let's talk about Doge. Dogecoin, I do not see doing a 100x, but I could see it going to maybe 50 cents, maybe back to where it was. I think Dogecoin has really seen its run for the most part because, guys, to get it back to the top, something big has to happen now. If Elon Musk can get us to Mars, if he can achieve everything he's claimed to want to do, etc., if the Cybertruck does well, if there's a lot more attention on Twitter, X, Dogecoin will do very well. Could it 50x? Very, very likely it could. It could 50x. 100x? I don't know. So we're going to talk about some of the other projects that I like. Okay, so that's Dogecoin. Tron I'm not into. Ton, no. MADI, I love. MADI, believe it or not, I think it's possible to 100x. And the main reason being is because with Polygon MADI, it's a layer 2 scaling solution for ETH, right? So if we take a look, MADI, I mean, what's it gone up to at the top? It was like $1.20. This thing could move, right? You're talking about something that, I mean, this could be, I think 30 to 40x. Yeah, this could be $50 a token. Like, it sounds crazy, but this could be $50 a token if it gets that lift off, if they have huge implementation. I think MADI is a sleeper for sure. For all I know, they have one of the better teams in crypto. Okay, so we have other dedicated videos on MADI. I think MADI is a great choice for potential. So again, research everything. CHAINLINK, great project. You're not going to see a 100x, I doubt it, but you could see this thing go into new all-time highs. I don't even have any CHAINLINK. I have a little bit of MADI. I think you saw it there. I have like $600. I have some more in other wallets, but yeah. Now, CHAINLINK, this could be $200-300. This could do very well. Not 100x, but again, I think it's going to do very well. So let's try to climb down a little bit deeper here. Wrap Bitcoin. Dot's going to do well, in my opinion. Maybe 20x. And again, I'm talking next bull run. 2024, 2025. 2025 most likely. You got DAI, probably going to be at $1. Litecoin, I've given up on. It's not what it was. And Litecoin was, I believe it was the first altcoin super fast, completely different than Bitcoin because it had the speed. Bitcoin Cash, no. Shiba, yeah, Shiba will do well. Shiba could do really well. So a meme token, right? You're talking about something where, you know, you could potentially see a penny if it goes, if we're parabolic, right? So Shiba could do a 100x. It wouldn't shock me. Comment down below, what are in your 100x potentials? AVAX. I mean, AVAX I don't like. And the reason being is because it's so confusing. You got your C chain, your P chain. What a disaster. What a disaster. And like, I don't know, there's something that's frustrating me with AVAX. Maybe one of you can comment down below what it is. But after using so many different blockchains, there's something about AVAX where I just get upset and I'm like, it's got to be more intuitive. It has to be simplified. For new users to come in, you don't want to have to convert from the C chain, P chain, all that garbage. So I don't know how else to put it. I'm just not a fan. It's frustrating using AVAX. It is fast. It works well, but I don't think it's going to do 100x. It'll probably go back to where it was in the height of a bull market. True USD, Stellar could do well. I'm not super bullish. Cosmos, I love as a project. Bullish long term. Crazy APR, APY. Monero, great privacy token. Probably not 100x. Uniswap could do very well. Could do very well, right? Talking about a major DEX. Where was that? 33 bucks? Yeah, this could be, you know, I'm just throwing out ideas. I'm just throwing out what comes up at the top of my head for the most part in this video. But I'm being honest, right? I don't lie on this channel. In fact, I'm going to be doing a review on the Tangent wallet. So one of their team members hit me up and they said, we'd like to send you a wallet for a review. And I even said, I'll review it, but no paid promotion. I'm giving you all my honest feedback. So whenever I review something or talk about something, I'm not hyping up a token. I don't do any of that. I just share with you my thoughts and opinions. That's why I have this channel. We need people that are honest in crypto. That's all I'm doing. So when I say something, yeah, I joke around a lot. But when I'm talking about projects in this video, I have zero affiliation with these projects. So like, I don't know how to code. I don't build these. I just invest. And you guys get my picks for free. Uniswap could do well. You know, I could see it going back to where it was, 25 bucks, 40 bucks. Could go higher, but probably a 10x. You're not going to see a 100. I doubt it. ETH Classic, stay away. I don't like it. Filecoin, this is a huge one. So Filecoin, decentralized storage, Ethereum blockchain. Iagon is the winner for ADA. That will be a 100x if it works. Filecoin, I mean, this was high at one point. This could 100x. If this hit 300 bucks, I wouldn't be shocked. And you're talking about a pretty, yeah, I mean, Filecoin could do well. Filecoin could do well. I mean, data is the new oil. And Filecoin, I mean, you're talking about something that's on Ethereum blockchain. That's an ERC20 token, I believe. So Filecoin, comment down below if you have that or believe in it. I don't own any, but it could do well. HBAR, for sure, could 50x, maybe 100x. Let's look at the numbers here. Percentage out. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this could do well. The fact that it's at 5 cents, people just like that in general coming in too. ICP, I stay away. You know, you can't get in everything. Kronos could do very well. Crypto.com. Aptos, not too familiar with it, to be honest. VeChain could do well. Let's see where we're at. The prices really fluctuated with some of these. 17 cents. I don't know. I mean, at a penny, it could 50x easily. Next bull run, 100%. 100x would be tougher with that. Aave 100x would be difficult. MNT, not too familiar with it. Arbitrum, I mean, this has been doing quite well over the time. A lot of people like this INJ, Quant could do well. Optimism, layer 2 solution for ETH again, I believe. This could do well. This hasn't... Now, this one, I would be a little bit hesitant, but based on market cap and whatnot, like, this could do very well. It's just, that, like, projects like this that are newer, they haven't even had a great run yet. They haven't had the opportunity. So, Optimism, I could see it. I could see it doing a 50 to 100. It would take a lot, but I could see it. Thorchain, don't think it would. What else? Let's try to find some kind of lower cap, monster projects. Decentraland, I think it'll do well. That and Sandbox, these are big metaverse gaming projects. They could do very well. Like Mana, I know a lot of people were buying that at like $4 or $5, right? Yeah, that was like the height too. Yeah, I mean, this could do a 10, 20x. Probably not a 100. I doubt a 100. Let's take a look here. Let's go down. Sorry if you're waiting for me to look at these. I don't own any of these. ApeCoin could do really well, depending on how they build. Gala could 100x. 100%. Like, look how low this is. You're talking about a 1 year, you're down 55%. Much more if you zoom out even more. So you're talking about a penny going up to all-time highs. That would be a 70x, basically. 35, 70x. This could do very well, right? Pepe could do really well, even though the market cap is climbing. Pepe, I wouldn't be surprised if it does a 40, 50x, even from where it's at. Zcash, privacy token. What else we got here? Rose could do well. Stay away from Terra Luna and Pancake. Pancake could do well. Big decks, major decks. Where was it at? 40 cents? Yeah, $40. This could do a 50x. Probably not 100x, but it'll do well. Some other picks I would talk about, probably Pulse Chain, Hex. You got Cornucopias, a lot of good projects. Iagon, I like. Copy. I mean, I don't know what else to give you all. So those are projects that I like. We went over the top 100 basically really swiftly. So comment down below. What are your 100x potential altcoins and why do you like them? If you guys want, again, check out the channel. So go to Crypto Moose, get loose, and go under videos. Check out the 100x. This one's doing pretty good. A couple days ago, got 1,000 views. We also have a free Cardano mini course. So if you guys check out the link tree, you can get access to this course completely free. Comes with the workbook. Take you from beginner to pro with everything Cardano. And we also have paid courses as well. And yeah, it's really to help you guys out. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below if you want me to do maybe the next, from 100 to 200 in market cap. I can do that as well. So we will see you all in the next one. And by the way, we are Friday, November 3rd, 2023. I'm talking about 6 months to a year from now. Bye.